think that was like that.
There you go. Just slam it. There you go. There you go.
Just right here, right?
All right. When I say out, you're gonna punch out and shoot. One time. Ready? Out.
No wonder we got these things on. They're sure
You know, like the Superman. All the bullets bounce off when they throw the gun and he duck. Right. Does that make sense?
Do we have to go back like you?
Nope, you gotta do nothing. No, you gotta do nothing. It's auto loader. That's what they call semi-auto pistol. Put that on the thumb on the other side. This thumb stays on that side. Ready? You're gonna punch one time. Punch out and fire one time. Make sure both thumbs on there so you ain't gonna break your thumb. All right. Ready? Out. Bring it in.
Okay.
Out.
I went and got mine.
All right. We're gonna fire twice. It didn't work.
I thought it was there it is. All right, it works. There you go. Just
That's karma. Did you trade with me about those problems? Don't bother me. I'm watching my
When you punch out, by the time your arms are locked out, you should have fired, but that means you're going to keep both eyes open. That gun's going to position itself right behind the dominant eye, and that means the target should be in front of it. Ready? You're going to fire 2 rounds.
Get your thumb up forward.
And finger off the trigger, so you're ready to fire.
Take this other thumb. Right here. This left, the left thumb. Put it on top of the right.
Right hand.
Bring this back over. Put this finger underneath.
Trying to break my concentration, eh?
Yeah.
Let that
Ready?
guy sneak up on
2 rounds. Fire.
Oh, a little high.
Oh, y'all killing him. Ready?
I don't even know what I did.
Ready? Fire.
Oh, I got him right in the head.
Ready? Fire.
You're empty.
Fire.
You're empty.
Fire. All right. You can put them down.
Come on! Come on!